Now, I just arrived, and the owner, Patrizia, is treating me like a son. She's a bit old school, so her kitchen equipment isn't perfect, but she knows how to cook. I mean, she makes an incredible cheesecake. It's legendary in these parts. You don't have to bake it. It's a cheesecake that can be done cold on the spot. These are chocolate cookies. I'm just crushing up the biscuits. There's no technique. Va bene così, eh? con le mani. And this is what you want. Now our melted butter. So we ground up the cookies. We added some melted butter. And now we're just putting it on the base of a pan. Press down, you want everything compact. So we have some yogurt, we have some ricotta, and we have some whipping cream, okay? Now the work starts. Yeah, no mixer here, so I do it all by hand. Questa è la fatica. Scusa, si mischia tutto insieme?
Dopo questa si sbatte anche questa un pochino e poi si mischia.
So the cream is nice and fluffy and whipped up, and now I'm just breaking up the ricotta. The ricotta with the whipping cream, yogurt, and we've added melted gelatin to help kind of combine everything. So this will make it nice and firm. We did not put any sugar at all in the ricotta or the yogurt. E questa è la torta di Patrizia. Dammi un bacio. Questo sì, si mette
in frigo.
Mezz'ora?
No, 3-4 ore.
Va bene, sì.
Si apre.
Just before I leave, we have Patrizia's cheesecake. There's her daughter Michele, Paolo, and Federico. I'm glad he wasn't too upset with me for scaring away all his sheep. That cheesecake was settled and flavorful. You could taste that fresh ricotta, the yogurt, and I love the fact there was a little sugar. Now, Patrizia, you know that I'm going to steal this recipe. Sai che rubo questa ricetta?
Non mi frega niente.
No,
Io non so gelosa, guarda.
No.